Set B Q.2 solution. Explanation. Create a replace trigger T5. This line indicates that a new trigger named T5 should be created or replaced if it already exists. Before insert or update on bill for each row, this line specifies that the trigger should execute before any row is inserted or updated in the bill table. New refers to the values being inserted or updated in the current row. V_number equals to_number to_char new B-day, D. This line converts the B-day date value in the current row to a day of the week number, 1 for Sunday, 2 for Monday, etc., using the to_char and to_number functions. If V_number greater than equals 6, then this line checks if the day of the week number is greater than or equal to 6, which corresponds to Saturday or Sunday. If it is, then the T5 exception is raised. Raise T5. This line raises the T5 exception if the if condition is true. Exception when T5 then. This line specifies that if the T5 exception is raised, the following code block should be executed. RDBMS_output.put_line bill can be inserted or updated only on non-weekends. This line prints a message to the console indicating that the bill can only be inserted or updated on weekdays, non-weekends.